MLA ki bala pinyasno shaka All India Trinamool Congress TMC hadin chisngi ba kila penbana pait ba bandon no bat kini ka party mentaga sngi kila pelong ya kejing ya kendolang ka baningkong jong ka parliamentary party banyak ren nikimat kum ki MLA ha ka party ka batmai bakinra na ka mentaga kejing mentoy kejela kat kum ka kubor ka bala yo ki MLA ka bala rong shaka TMC kin let banyak kendo ya ka hedu jong ka party ha ka sngi ningkong shaka Kolkata banjit yu president jong ka party hapo kani kejela ha kani kejingilang ka bamenta ka sngi legit yu Dr. Mukul kum u leader jong ka parliamentary party ba Himalay Moktan Shangplyang kum u spokesperson kat ba u ba George B. Lingdo kum u opposition chief whip hapo kayeng dorbar u Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong bakibon kinongilam hagejela ke badonya kejing ngok yan nakamenta kejela pat kidon bun kinongilam ki bakwa banle AA kababha nakamenta kejela omdei tang bakin wan chak TMC wat kitu ke baklam wan ru u kopru balada ukwa bandon hakobor u Dr. Mukul ula bandon hakobor ba hakano kapor wat mentaru henry ulaong ba umdei pat ubriu barhabor habakali unong ilang barim ke CLP ulaong ba kam don kam ba ki MLA kin penyesno chaka party henry ki briu jongki kila banwan.
There are many leaders who are concerned for the welfare of the state, for the welfare of the people. And there are many other onlookers who think the same way. Therefore, they will be keeping on telling them, reminding them, look what is better for the people. Do what is really good for the larger interests of the people. And this is happening. I'm talking to everybody. There are many reasons why one or two more friends could not come. Okay. So let us be fair to them. So I think we'll continue to build the state. Irrespective of where they are, we will be talking to each other because we know who has a similar share of intent. If Dr. Mukul wanted to be in power, Dr. Mukul could have been in power in 2018, 2019, 2020, anytime, even now. Even now, if it is only solely for the purpose of being in power. No, Dr. Mukul is not a power hungry man. You have seen it. You know, in 2005, what happened? Because of that ambush issue, unfortunate police firing, I demonstrated my intent to share the sentiment of the people and resigned. From 2005, for more than 1.5 years, I did not occupy any office of profit, not even a chairman or co-chairman or anything. That's on record. This Dr. Mukul's whole purpose is to serve my people, serve my state. I love my state, I love my people. I love all of you. And there's no other agenda that Dr. Mukul has. But there has been lots and lots and lots of offer for Mukul to be in power. Okay? You have to be able to find out what I am referring to. You be analytical and you will know.
So just one last question. TMC as a national party, who's your biggest competitor in the state? Is it NPP or is it BJP?
Come again?
TMC as a national party that you are taking up, which one is your biggest competitor here in the state political party? Is it the NPP, the BJP, or the regional parties as a whole?
See, as we move forward, we will have to look at the possibilities of every political party, trying to build their base, by trying to strengthen their organization. And that obviously is a natural phenomenon which we expect since we are coming closer to the election to 2023. And we will look at the whole political developments that unfold in coming months on the run-up for election.
So in the coming months, will we also see the numbers increase from 12 to maybe 15, 16, 17?
There are many ways of doing things. In fact, some of the MLS need not come also. Their people will come and they will take our ticket. Simple.
So what do you think, will TMC work together with NPP?
See, if you are asking me this question, you will have to also understand what is the ideology to which NPP is glued to. And also not just the ideology and principle, because it can be in just paper, only in letter. what is their intent? Is the intent of the NPP leadership is really to serve the people with utmost sense of commitment and sincerity and honesty? You have to be analytical. Okay. If my analysis say otherwise, then we don't look at them as our possible partner. If our analysis say that yes, their intent and commitment is for the real larger good of the people and the state, well, we will look at that. But then if our analysis doesn't indicate that, then they are not going to be our partner.
So a lot of research has been done by your party. A lot of data has been collected. According to all of that, what does the picture look like, sir? How many seats, maybe? Ahead?
You see, it's a continuous process. It's a continuous process. And then, see, our intent is to ensure that we are able to serve the state. We are able to serve the people. Why we will work hard? Because we want to serve the people. We want to serve the state. Because we know with the no iota of doubt that we can serve the people of this beautiful state. We can serve this beautiful state much better than anybody else. Yes, I mean it. We can serve this state better than anybody else. We can really ensure that the hopes and aspirations of the people do not remain just as hopes and aspirations. They can actually ultimately realize their dreams because of what we do when we get the mandate to be in government.
So as far as acceptance of the party is concerned, be it political parties or any common public, everybody is in doubt. No? We yet don't have a clear picture as far as acceptance of TMC is concerned in the state. What are your thoughts, sir?
You see, what is TMC, All India Trinamool Congress? Now, if you look at the birth of this All India Trinamool Congress, how was it born? Who was the founder, president? Who founded this party? Okay. Now, our distinguished leader, Mamata Banerjee, where was she? To which political party did she belong to? She was also a member of Indian National Congress. And if you again revisit the past, what was the reason why she left the party? And then she built the party after leaving the party, a new political party, which is Trinamool Congress. Now, what was the purpose? The purpose was to serve the state, serve the people. Isn't she doing it now? She is doing it very efficiently. And that's why you can understand how many such potential leaders must have left the party. Just because the space that was meant for them were not really provided. And that is what we say, let us learn from the past. Now, instead of Trinamool Congress, that means in West Bengal it would have been an Indian National Congress government led by Mamata Banerjee. But because of the reasons best known to all of us, she had to leave the party. She actually floated because she couldn't give up. How can she give up when she has, taken the vow to serve the people? And today we are talking about the same party which was founded by none but a Congress person, a hardcore Congress fighter. So it's a kind of meeting the members of the same family. That's why it became a natural choice for us. One is that angle, and another thing is that, okay, you are to look at the dynamics of politics across the nation. Don't we have responsibility towards a nation? Yes, we have. That's why we are building the state. When you build the state, when the states are strong, the nation will be strong. But again, from the other side, if you're looking from the other side of the coin, again, Delhi, the policy decision that is taken by government of the day must be a policy decision that allows every state to grow, every individual to grow, must provide that space to make people think that, okay, they are part of the system, they are part of the government, they belong to, the whole system, meaning the sense of belongingness, inclusiveness, not sense of alienation. And therefore, they are very crucial. We are part of the, or otherwise, let me say it this way, we belong to the part of the country where we have seen people becoming a victim of sense of alienation. Okay, if you have seen that the state being confronted by various challenges, challenges of insurgency, militancy, there are factors, there are triggering factors, and one of the triggering factor is obviously the sense of alienation and the resultant anger towards the government, and how we had to counter them, how we had to somehow make them believe that what they are thinking is not correct. Come back and assimilate yourself with the national mainstream. Tough job, tough job. So therefore, you have to look at the larger interests of the whole nation, because we must grow as a nation. And if the nation has to grow, the states have to grow. So it's a vice versa. Now, that's how the party also should be. If you want to make your national party vibrant and strong, the state units have to be very strong. The state units should not be unit where the party has inherent challenges due to the plots and conspiracies to pull down each other, like the crap culture. So you have to understand that if you allow it to go on with complete impunity, then you are only reflecting your that chalta hai रीति जो होना है होने दो. But this is not something which is going to enable people like me to just share the same strategy that chalta hai hoga. No, I cannot, because I don't want to fail my people. I don't want to fail my beloved people who have reposed their trust and confidence on us.
So the TMC in the state is surrounded by its political